So Santosh, in the past 5 years, I see thousands of investors are entering the market. I see SIPs are records high. More than 21 crore demat accounts are opened. But somehow, everyone is also losing.
The people who are losing money, they don't have emotional control on. When you sit in front of the markets will teach a lesson. You say that the stock market is a gambling.
Can you explain this a bit?
Not the markets that make you rich. It is how you behave with the markets. If you ask me to choose between profit and peace of mind, I would always choose peace of mind.
So what do you think? What is the biggest mistake that you consistently see in the people who lose their money in the market? Trading or investing? Intelligence or discipline? Fear or greed? AI or human judgment? Long-term or quick profits? Welcome to another podcast. I'm really excited for this one because this will have a lot of talking about stock markets, investing, and how we behave, how our mind works, and a lot more on that. I'm not alone in this one. As you know, podcast always has a wonderful guest who explains everything in detail. So today's guest is Mr. Santosh Kumar, the founder of Streetfolio. Hello, Santosh.
Hey, Keshav, thanks for welcoming me. I'm so good.
Great.
Glad to meet you.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Have read your articles, have gone through your company profile and the details of it. Really excited for this one, very honest. Let's start the talk about the stock market, the investor behavior and all of that, and where the real problem is. Because
exactly,
I have a lot of people who saying, I've made a lot of losses in the market. My money is just going, drowning. So we need to discuss on that as well.
Yeah, of course.
Shall
yes.
we?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.